Have you heard the word inferiority complex? What's the meaning of this word? Inferiority complex is a feeling that you are not as good, as intelligent, as attractive, etc. as other people. For example, he's always had an inferiority complex about his height, or she has always had an inferiority complex about her look. Do you have any inferiority complex in you? What are the signs of an inferiority complex? Are you losing your self-esteem? Are you losing your self-esteem? That means, are you constantly comparing yourselves to others? Are you feeling lack of self-trust? You don't have any control over your life? Do you have tendency to overanalyze compliments and criticisms? Do you want other people must praise you? Are you feeling isolated from family, friends, and colleagues, especially in social situations? If you see these signs in you, that means you are suffering from an inferiority complex. What are the effects of living with an inferiority complex? When you live your life thinking that everyone else is better than you, this can negatively affect your ability to carry out everyday activities. So it's harmful for your health. So depression will come. So when you don't feel strong enough to interact with your friends, family, and colleagues as equals, this can greatly impact your mental health, as well as your work life and study will be hampered. So don't feel you don't know anything. You are a loser. Always faith in yourself and start working and studying. Don't think others are better than you. Everyone is unique in the world. So do you want to overcome this complexity? Let's know how to overcome this complexity to get sound health. The first rule is love yourself. Don't compare you with others. Don't overthink about your appearance and look. Practice gratitude. Whatever you have, that's enough for you. Think about your good deeds that you have done. Dust your negative thinking. Always be positive. Do exercise regularly. Keep the journal or write diary. Write your optimistic plan and start work to accomplish it. Practice self-acceptance. What does it mean? Remember this, no one is perfect. That's okay. Give yourself a break. Say prayer every day and believe in the Almighty. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope you have liked today's lesson. So please remove your inferiority complex and keep forward. Stay happy always, because life is yours and undoubtedly it's beautiful for you.